Hi everyone and welcome back to another app tutor video. Do you want to install or insert a SIM card in your iPhone 16 Pro or any iPhone 16 model? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do just that. So make sure you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So the first thing that you want to do is to get your SIM ejector tool, which looks like this. You're going to get this in the box when you open and unbox your new iPhone, and you then need your SIM card. It's a pretty simple process, and all you have to do is to put that SIM ejector tool into that little hole which you have in your SIM slot, and once you put it, just give it a little push until the slot ejects a little. When it does, just use your fingers to remove the SIM slot from your iPhone. The next step in this whole process is to put the SIM card in our slot, and you want to take your time here and put it exactly as you should. If you make a mistake here, then the phone won't recognize your SIM card and you won't have any signal, so make sure that you do this correctly. Lay your SIM card perfectly with the tray and you will have a little cut corner at the top left. You have to make sure that this matches perfectly with your card. And after that, just put the SIM tray with your card into the iPhone and make sure that you also match the hole in the SIM tray with the hole you have in the phone itself. Push the tray all the way until the end and make sure that it doesn't stick out of the phone at all. And after you do this, the SIM card will be installed or inserted into your iPhone 16 phone, and the phone will start searching for a signal, which means that you've done a good job. If you don't have a signal for some reason, you can try and restart your phone and see if that fixes the issue, but maybe you didn't insert the card the correct way, so repeat this whole process, remove the card, then rotate it and make sure that it matches the tray cutout. Then insert it once again and you should be good to go. If you have any questions or suggestions about this whole process, make sure you leave a comment on this video and I'll see you in the next one.